You've even got the tea and biscuits out this morning, Carol. What's going on here?
I know, Dan. I'm relieved Steph's not here because there are only 2 biscuits and they would be woof at the door before you could say boo to a coo. But it is a beautiful start to the day. I'm in the roof gardens in Kensington. We're about 100 feet up in the air. You can see lovely views behind me, beautiful gardens all around as well. And the temperature here in London is 19 Celsius. In Cardiff at the moment it is 16, Belfast 17 and Edinburgh 18. So it's warming up quite nicely. But today we expect the top temperatures in the south of England, especially the southeast. We're looking at 30 or 31. Tomorrow the top temperature again will be in the south at about 34, possibly 35. 34 Celsius is 93.2 Fahrenheit, but tomorrow the warm air really does push further north, as far north as southern Scotland, where we'll be looking at the mid-20s. So let's get on with the forecast, because the forecast is one of turning hotter, and it's going to do exactly that. It's also going to feel quite humid, not just by day, but also by night for the next few. For Scotland this morning at 9, there is some rain around, particularly anywhere from the central belt northwards. That will retreat into the northwest and then finally into the north later on, and the heat will seep up. For northwest England, it's a cloudy start. There's some patchy fog. Northeast England, heading down towards the Wash, the East Midlands, East Anglia, Essex, Kent, we're back into the sunshine, and it feels just like this. I can feel the heat right on my back. From the West Midlands into the South Midlands, down towards Hampshire, heading over towards Gloucestershire, Somerset, there's a bit more cloud around. We've also got some coastal fog in the western end of the English Channel, but move inland, Devon and Cornwall seen some sunshine. Fog across parts of Wales, particularly the coast, where it will linger for much of the day. Inland it will brighten up. And Northern Ireland, there's a wee bit of drizzle coming out of the cloud in the west for you. We could see some coastal fog, perhaps counties Antrim and Down, but it is going to improve as we go through the course of the morning. So talking of that improvement, for many, the sun will come out and it will feel warm or very warm, or indeed humid. There's the risk of the odd shower today across North Wales, South East Scotland heading down towards Lincolnshire, but they'll be isolated, but they could be heavy, possibly thundery. And then as we head on through the evening and overnight, for most it is going to be dry, but there will still be some fog around the Irish Sea and all areas adjacent. Look at those overnight temperatures. These are more like we've been expecting, or we have had by day lately, so it is going to feel quite muggy as they fall only into the mid to the high teens. Now tomorrow, well, again we have a lot of dry weather around, a lot of sunshine too, patchy cloud across the far north of Scotland, and temperatures picking up. From London round towards Gloucestershire we could have 34, around Merseyside, Yorkshire we're looking at around about 30, into southern Scotland, Northern Ireland 24 to 26, so feeling humid. The other thing is late on Tuesday and overnight Tuesday into Wednesday for Northern Ireland, central and western Scotland, we're looking at some severe thunderstorms. There will be a lot of lightning and there'll be big hail and some large totals of rain in a relatively short amount of time. That extends into Wednesday for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but also parts of England and Wales. We won't all see it, but there'll be a lot of lightning around, big hail too. The areas immune to it are, if you draw a line from the Bristol Channel towards the Wash and south of that, where it will remain humid, dry, sunny and still hot. But it is going to turn cooler slowly for the rest of us on Wednesday. But Dan and Lou, we by no means are entering the next ice age.
Not at all.
That's good to hear, Carol. Lovely to see you enjoying the sunshine this morning. Thank you very much.
We'll see you.